Hello, hi. Welcome back to the TradeYourEdge.com YouTube channel. My name is Elvin, and this is our weekly commentary on the forex market. In front of me, very quickly, we have the euro dollar. As I've mentioned earlier, the euro dollar is actually, in my opinion, moving in a very nice little channel. So what do I mean by that? First of all, it's on the downward trend. Just to recap, it was on a downward trend. The way I view the market is such that it's done a higher low and price is about to reverse, or actually it is reversing, but I'm waiting for a full end-to-end confirmation of the reversal. However, sometimes when price has already confirmed, it might be a little too late. So we are looking for early signals of a major reversal. Meanwhile, price has definitely broken the trend line, and as you can see in this downward trend, price broke it with conviction, and right now it's now in a small little new channel moving upwards. Right, so for those who are not familiar, maybe I can change this to a slightly different color. I'll put it in a light blue. Right, so this, oh, not the best color. Anyway, so turquoise blue. Okay, this is what I meant. Right, so price is moving upward in my opinion. As I mentioned, price was testing the lower channel. Is this the time to reverse and continue higher? Not sure, but there looks like a potential based on last week's price action. Of course, price could then range, and we may have to wait and see what happens from then onwards. Okay, so that's the situation. Moving on to pound dollar. Pound dollar is in a similar situation whereby it is actually, to some extent, it is moving downwards. And if you were to look at price action, price actually broke up, came back to do a retest, and since then onwards has been in a very close range, moving higher. This range is valid. It's the range is really tight. So what I'm going to do is tidy up the range, and as you can see, this is what I'm looking at on the daily basis. So price is moving higher. Let's see where it goes from there. I do expect price to do a pullback before going higher, but with this kind of range, it's just really crawling higher and higher. So do careful. If you're a range trader, this is perfect for you. Just go on the bull trend and in the bull direction, and you should be okay. Last but not least, we have gold. Gold is in a range as well. As you can see, everything that has to do with the dollar is in a big range. Price is testing a major ceiling, which is the $2,000 mark, and since then, price has been crawling or snailing a little bit lower and lower. I made a mark at the 1700 line. It's because there has been a few tested levels, so this 1778 price is a decent level. So I think what will happen is price will break below it and it will just tank. So that's my personal point of view based on price action. Also remember that it's this inside bar, false break, and right now last week gave me a real nice inside bar. So let's see what happens from there. Okay, so this is that's it for the two majors and gold. For those of you who wants to know more about the crosses, do check out part 2 of the video. Okay, right. Thank you very much and hear from you soon.